How to block channels on YouTube. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Play Store application on your device and make sure that your YouTube application is updated to its latest version on the device. So as you can see, it is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm going to tap on open and it will lead me to the home page. So now make sure that you're logged into your account. Now first way to block the channels on the YouTube is to go to the video that you want for the channel to be blocked on YouTube. So just tap on the video and you can see the three dotted lines over here. Tap on that and here you can see the option of not interested. So this way the video will not come up to you. And if you do not want that video or that per user, or you want to just go a further step, then you can just tap on three dotted lines again and tap on don't recommend channel. So this will help you in the process of not recommending videos from this channel to us again. Now you want to go a step more further, you can just go to that channel.
In front of me is all the meat from an
So you can just go to the channel of the video that you do not want to see. Then tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen. And here you can see the option of hide user from my channel over here. Tap on that. And you can see the option of hide user. Tap on that. And there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.